This is Duke University.
So here we are, this is the last week of 10-week program, the OIT Code Plus program for 2018. This is the team that's been working together for the last 10 weeks, developing a parking app for Duke, and the work that we've achieved has been a big accomplishment, and I'm very proud of the group here.
I wanted to integrate her story.
There's
one little timer thing I want to change, but
I just hard resetting from master, and then once you integrate with the key stuff, then I'll just pull from that, and that should have everything.
we had really no guidelines for what we were doing. It was kind of just thinking of it all on our own and then trying to implement it. So writing code from scratch and taking stuff we found online, just trying to get something to work.
I loved how we were able to just make our app the way we wanted it to be and design it the way we wanted it, so that was great. So one of the most fun parts of the project was mocking up the wireframes for the app. We all kind of took different approaches. Some of us made really professional looking mock-ups on Adobe XD. Some of us drew them poorly by hand, so that was pretty funny.
The most exciting aspect was probably just having my own ideas of how this project, this app should go, and then being able to implement them myself and just having my ideas heard.
I remember when I sent my first push notification, I was just sitting in the office and we were working, and it took so many tries to finally get it to work, but when it finally popped up, I was so excited.
I really enjoy after we finish a stage of developing and we can present our work to various people and show I feel proud when I can show the work I did. It feels really good.
The most unexpected thing for me, I think, was that I didn't understand how much work goes into creating an app before you actually write a single line of code, and there's data gathering and interviewing users and that whole process.
The most exciting aspect of this internship was coming to a section of code and being stuck on it for almost hours, and then looking up things online, not being able to find the answer, and finally just figuring it out. And I thought that was just amazing, just that feeling of, yes, we finally found a solution.
Yeah, working at Duke, you get to work closely with a lot of really accomplished developers, and you get to ask them anything you want. So I think that's very valuable to be able to just ping someone and say hey, can you help me with this? And they'll be in the room 5 minutes later.
Yeah, I think I can do it now. It's before this program, I'm totally overwhelmed by the mere thought of working in tech, getting a job and how to get down to the ground to work on it. But now I think it's manageable, yeah.